How to add WhatsApp link to TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add WhatsApp link to TikTok. First, open or launch the TikTok mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From there, tap on the profile icon that appears at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account. To access the link feature, you must have at least 1,000 followers, and your account must be set to a business account. To switch your account to a business account, tap on the menu icon with the hamburger symbol located here. Once you do that, a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen as shown here. From the available options, make sure you tap this one labelled Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, you'll find more options to manage and customize your TikTok account. From those, tap on the one named Account. This will take you to another section with more account-related settings. From the list, tap on the option labelled Switch to Business Account. The process is that simple. After successfully switching your account, return to the profile page of the app as shown here. Once you're back, tap on the Edit Profile icon located here. This is the section where you can easily edit and personalize your TikTok profile. From the options displayed, the one we need is the one labeled Links. Tap on it, and you will land on this page that allows you to add various types of links as you can see. You have the option to add website links, as well as Instagram and YouTube links. For today's tutorial, we will choose the first option, which is Website. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, you'll need to type the following URL exactly as shown: wa.me/ followed by your mobile phone number starting with the country code. Do not include the plus sign before the country code. Once you've entered the full WhatsApp link correctly, make sure you save the changes you've made. As you can see here, once you visit your profile, the WhatsApp link will now be visible. When someone taps on it, they'll be directed to a page that allows them to proceed to the WhatsApp app and open the chat inbox directly. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add WhatsApp link to TikTok.